How to disable bloom effect in Diablo Immortal. If you are looking for a way to disable the bloom effect in Diablo Immortal, then the process is quite easy. First of all, launch open the Diablo Immortal game on your device, and once you're inside the game main screen, go ahead and click on the menu button at the top right corner. Now click on the gear icon at the top right, and this will open Settings. Inside Settings, look for the Graphics tab from the left and scroll down to Bloom Effect. If your Bloom Effect is turned on, tap on the switch right next to Bloom Effect and make sure that it is leveled as off. After you turn off Bloom Effect, this will reduce glowing light effects. This will make your visuals sharper, improve visibility in dark areas, and slightly boost performance on low-end devices. Now you can get back to your game, and there you go. That is how it's done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.